It was 45 degrees this morning, and it's going to be about the same tomorrow morning when I have to head to work. So a little wind protection doesn't hurt. Because we're getting to the chillier time of year, I am, you know, wearing a long sleeve Henley. Same thing as last year. We're going to take these screws out. There's one here, one here, one here, and one in here. And replace them with the brackets for the windscreen. And then pop the windscreen on. It's pretty painless. I think I got all the tools I need. Not positive. I did not check this all out before I came outside, guys. I know. You'd think they get used to each other? And...
I don't know.
There's a Chihuahua on the way that way. Barks at me every day when I go by. Every day.
It used to be the golden retrievers.
You know, they were just saying hi. Yeah.
Have a good one. Nice meeting you.
Take it easy, man. So, by the way, guys, like 75% of the fasteners on this bike, 5mm hex. So the windscreen brackets, they're actually 3.5mm. They are not Honda. As far as I know, Honda doesn't use 3.5 on this bike. But yeah, the windscreen is 3.5. So this is the left-hand bracket, this side. And of course, I don't remember the spacers. I think the longer spacers go at the bottom and these shorter spacers go up top. So we're gonna try it. I did not replace the rubber gasket or rubber grommets, the like rubber crush washers, spacers. I don't know what the hell they're called. Did not replace them this year. They are pretty bad. I got 1 year. I did over crush them, I think, last year. Yeah, that moment you realize that you lost, meaning it somehow didn't record, the end of your video, the last, I don't know, like 10 minutes. Dad, I got 1 year. I did over crush them, I think, last year. And that's where the footage runs out. So let's go take a look at the bike. Ironically, I'm wearing the same shirt. It's my lounge around the house kind of shirt these days. Anyway, because we lost the end of that footage, we're going to show you where we're at. I also lost one of the covers for the screws, but windscreen on. You can see what that looks like from here. You have probably seen it in a ride video by now, but maybe not. Not the sexiest thing around. You know, it is what it is. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. As you can see, I trimmed my hair awful short accidentally. Don't use a trimmer at, early hours of the morning if you are not fully awake. Anyway, take care, have fun, stay safe, and keep riding, guys.